In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Excel in Adobe Acrobat. We'll walk through the exact process step by step so you can move table data from a PDF into a workable spreadsheet with minimal cleanup. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. At the top left corner, click the menu icon to bring up your main options, then choose Open. In the file picker that appears, navigate to the PDF you want to convert, select it, and click Open again. Your document will load in Acrobat. With the file open, look to the left side panel or the top area where tools are listed and locate the option labeled Convert. Click Convert to open the export tools. From the available formats, choose Microsoft Excel. This tells Acrobat you want to export the PDF content into an Excel-friendly file. Next to the Microsoft Excel choice, you'll see a format selector. Pick the format that best suits your needs. XLSX is the modern Excel workbook format and is ideal for most users because it preserves tables and cell formatting well. XML is a structured data option that can be useful if you plan to process the output with other systems or scripts. Make your selection before moving on. Once you've chosen the format, look toward the bottom of the panel for the Convert to button and click it. A pop-up will appear confirming the export. In that pop-up, click. Choose a different folder so you can control exactly where the converted file will be saved. The Save As dialog will open. Browse to the folder where you want the Excel file to live, confirm the file type matches your earlier selection, and then save it. A few helpful tips as you do this: if your PDF contains clean, digital text and clearly defined tables, the conversion will be much more accurate. If the PDF is scanned or photographed, Acrobat may need to run text recognition, and results can vary. After exporting, you may see merged cells or misaligned columns. That's normal for complex layouts, and a quick pass in Excel to adjust headers, column widths, and number formats usually fixes it. Also, if you don't see the Convert tool right away, expand your tool panels or use the search bar within Acrobat to find Convert. That's it. You opened your PDF, chose Convert, selected Microsoft Excel, picked the right format, clicked Convert to, and specified the folder where it should be saved. Follow these steps each time, and you'll have a reliable workflow for turning PDFs into editable Excel files.